Prepare yourself to be captivated by these breathtaking views of the Matsqui Fraser River Valley from this extraordinary property. Welcome to number 5, 3504 Bassano Terrace in beautiful Abbotsford, British Columbia. This 4,400 square foot home spans 4 stories, offering an abundance of space and a livability for your family. Enjoy the panoramic vistas of the Fraser Valley from not 1, but 4 different levels of this remarkable home, where you can have your morning cup of coffee or enjoy the sunsets with a glass of wine, or simply snuggle up with family in the theater room for a night in. With 4 bedrooms on the upper floor, and a 1-bedroom suite, plus the additional 2 bedrooms found on the lower level. Parking will never be an issue, with space for up to 8 vehicles, with 4 on the driveway and 2 in the double car garage, along with an additional 2 parking spots on the lane. Don't miss this chance to own this breathtaking property with unmatched views and plenty of living possibilities. I'm Jesse.MacIver from Century 21 Creekside Realty, and I'm here to help.